Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seeker Sub. Today in this video I am going to discuss about 3 company hirings. For 2 companies there is no specific year pass out criteria. So please watch this video until end, then only you got to know this. Before starting this video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel. The first hiring is from Deloitte guys. Deloitte is hiring for Associate Analyst Automation Testing. Bangalore is the location, and here you can see these are the job request ID, location and entry. Here you can read your work profile. We are looking for enthusiastic and detail oriented associate automation test engineers. This role is ideal for fresh graduates or professionals with up to 2 years of experience. Means if you had a 2 years of experience, you can also apply for this opportunity. If you are a fresher, then also you can apply for this opportunity. You will work closely with the developers, business analysts and senior QA engineers to design. Like that they mentioned all the things. So if you want to read those, you can read. Here you can see key skills required is a 0 to 2 years of experience, basic understanding of software testing life cycles, basic programming knowledge in Java and Python, familiarity with Git or GitHub version, knowledge of SQL and database concepts. If you had a knowledge in Java and Python and SQL, you can apply for this role. Here they mentioned a preferred skill as well, but these preferred skills are applicable for experienced candidates. For freshers, if you had a basic knowledge on those, you can apply for this opportunity. And the qualification particularly they mentioned is BE BTech year of pass out. Anyone can apply for this opportunity. Yes, if you are from a BE BTech, anyone can apply for this opportunity. Just scroll down over there, you can see the apply now button. Click on that apply now button and easily you can apply for this opportunity. Next hiring is from Amazon guys. Amazon is hiring for associate quality services. Here you can see this is for a location Chennai region. Here you can read the description if you want to read. Key responsibilities are gain understanding of the application test procedures and how to use applicable software and tools, execute test instructions and report test results accuracy and promptly report any deviations observed. Basic qualification they mentioned is a bachelor's degree. If you had a knowledge on QA methodology and tools, it will be a plus. And here you can see preferred qualification, understanding about software testing, ability to complete assigned task accurately and promptly. For this particular opportunity, anyone can apply, any pass out year, any degree can apply. Click on that apply now button. You will be redirected to Amazon jobs website. From over there you can easily apply for this opportunity. And the next last hiring is from Sutherland guys. So Sutherland is hiring for associate, senior associate. Here you can see permanent work from home opportunity it is. Location is Bangalore. Date published is they posted on July, and still the link is active. Many of the candidates are receiving communication mails, so that's why I am sharing this opportunity. Here if you want to read about Sutherland, you can read all these things. Here you can see the job description. Consultant is responsible for delivering outstanding customer experience via calls, email, chat. This is a technical support role guys. Please be keep in mind this is not a software developer role. This is a technical support. Over there you can read resolve requests inquiries made by customers via email, chat or social, authoring non-disclosure agreement, complete upskilling and e-courses mandated by each program, 100% schedule adherence. And this is will be a rotational shift job guys. Here you can see eligibility criteria. Any graduate BSc, BCom, BTech, any graduate can apply for this opportunity, but only 2025 batch is allowed. And last you can see other additional skills required. Over there last they mentioned candidate must reside within a radius of 25 kilometers of our office. Although this is a work from office, you have to be in 25 kilometers radius, then only you can apply for this opportunity. Means you have to be reside in a 25-kilometer radius. You have to be in company premises only. From other state you can't work over there. If you want to apply for this opportunity, you can apply for this opportunity. That's why I'm saying before applying for any opportunity, just read the description and watch the full video. After clicking on that apply now button, you will be redirected to over there. Here you can just fill your first name, last name, experience, education and give a resume. And thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our Job Seeker sub channel. Jai Hind, bye bye now.